Welcome to the ultimate guide to the dream of homeownership. Buckle up as we dive into the exciting home buying process. First, imagine stepping into your future, the house of your dreams. It all starts with assessing your financial readiness. Next, get pre-approved for a mortgage to boost your buying power. With pre-approval in hand, it's time to search for your perfect home. Scour listings, visit open houses, and explore neighborhoods. Found a home you love? Make an offer they can't refuse. Negotiations can be thrilling. Get ready for some back and forth. When accepted, celebrate, but remember, it's just the beginning. Up next is the home inspection to ensure everything is in top shape. Negotiate any repairs needed or get credits to cover them. Once satisfied, your lender will arrange a home appraisal. Everything checks out? Fantastic, it's time to finalize your financing. Review your closing disclosure and ensure all details are correct. Prepare for closing day with required documents and a faithful pen. At closing, you'll sign paperwork, a thrilling moment indeed. Congratulations, those keys are about to be yours. Unlock the door to your new home and step inside your dream. From house to home, the adventure of a lifetime awaits. Enjoy.